Okay, so continuing the problem from the previous video or page, we've got x minus 2 the quantity squared plus y minus 3 the quantity squared over 4 equals 1. That's the standard form for the equation of the ellipse. The center is at 2, 3. A is 2, B is 1. The vertices are 2, 1 and 2, 5. And the foci are 2, 3 minus square root of 3, which is approximately 2, 1.27, and 2, 3 plus the square root of 3, which is approximately 2, 4.73. And the eccentricity, E, is approximately 0.87. So now I need to graph this using most of this information anyway. So the center I graph there, it's 2, 3. And then I'll go down 2 and up 2 because A is 2 and I know it's a vertical major axis. And then I can double check that with the coordinates I wrote out for the vertices, 2, 1, which checks, and 2, 5, which checks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then the foci are going to be in between those two vertices. And so I graph those. And they're pretty close to them, but still inside, closer to the center than the vertices by just a little bit. Okay, and now what I need to do is I need to go B to the left of the center and B to the right of the center. So B is 1, so I go 1 to the left and 1 to the right of the center, and that's coming from this B here. Okay, and then just kind of draw an ellipse going through the vertices, the purple dots, and these brown dots. And I labeled on my graph, I did just out of habit, because if I were doing this in a class and it was being graded on a piece of paper, I would label the foci since it's not so obvious what they are from looking at the graph. And I probably would label the vertices as well, and maybe even the center. But you're just putting it in the computer, so you'll just give them the information that they ask for. And anyway, that's it for that section on ellipses.